I don't want
No,
see the people in the
No. Hey, today I'm gonna be cooking everyone in this lobby. What the heck? People are cooking me.
Because I saw a creepy video.
I thought I was about to cook in this lobby. I thought I was about to cook in this lobby.
Immediately press option 1.
Dang, I'm cooking in this lobby.
So we don't lose each other. Where are you? Where are you?
Cooking in Gorilla Tag Part 5. Million quadrillion.
time to tag a kid who doesn't know how to run.
Look at right beside you. All have to friend each other.
What do you mean I don't know how to run?
We think of a code that we can go to if we get lost. No.
Sigma, Sigma, boy, Sigma.
What is happening?
Sigma.
My hand is stuck.
Are y'all Sigma, boys? If y'all tag me, then you're a Sigma.
Okay, guys, everybody come on here. If you want to do ghost hunting.
Bro, he's literally recording people.
When we behind you.
Why aren't y'all tagging me?
No.
Sigma, Sigma, boy.
Right there. We have to wait for him. Oh, that's fine.
Sigma,
Come up here if you want to do ghost hunting.
Sigma, boys.
Daisy 09. So, go wait for me. And if you see her,
Not that.
the computer.
It's not that hard to tag me.
Alright, let me see you guys.
Off the sweat side.
If we
We're
lose
staying here and wait till
I'm gone, man.
we'll go join.
If we lose each other,
Hmm.
if we lose each other, join the code 1. And if we see Daisy 09, press option 1.
You know.
Okay. On any computer.
Yeah, come after me, boy.
Way too hard. Way too hard.
Everybody, why are you pointing?
Y'all know,
Probably put
Y'all know,
Don't judge me, it's capital T.
No people are gonna tag me because they're gonna say I'm too hard to tag. I'm not that hard to tag. I'm just flexing on people now.
Okay.
Ha ha.
What? Capital T, capital F.
Yo.
Capital. I mean, little
Stop
C.
staring at me. I know you're trying to be freaky, Idlebot.
That's a better way to do double walls.
Idlebot.
Bro, I'm not even up there.
Stop being the freakiest spot that
And
I know.
then little B. Little B.
Okay.
Little O. Oh, it's F. Okay. Little M. Idlebot. Little M.
Are you an Autobot? Because I want to roll out.
Is it PMC bomb?
Are you?
1,
Yo,
4?
that's crazy.
Yes.
Okay.
So what's your username?
I followed you.
Okay. So now I'll tell him my username. So
Yeah,
none.
dang.
No, I don't got no friends.
It's been too long. Why aren't y'all tagging me?
Capital T.
But
you're too sweaty.
I'm not that sweaty. I bet he can tag me.
Oh, let's go.
Hold on. No. TT, friend me. Add me back. Add me back.
How did I miss that branch, bro?
Capital. I mean little C.
You know?
Little
What's up behind you?
Okay.
Juked.
Hey.
Little O.
Oh.
Little M. Little B.
I just gave you
How much shiny rocks do you have?
Little B.
24,000.
Could you give me some, please? That way I can get that.
That doesn't.
After B.
You can't gift shiny rocks, bro. This is not Fortnite.
We'll say. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bro, this is not Fortnite.
It's PMC bomb 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why is nobody trying to tag anyone, bro?
Why the two? How do you do that? But yeah, let's.
Oh, y'all are being weird.
So what did? Wait, so did you follow me?
Oh, frick. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I got stuck.
Wait,
Alright, so what is my name? What is my name?
Bro, what happened?
Little C. Little C.
Oh, frick, Maricrima. Oh,
One little B.
you scar me.
I'll just tell you an M. I'll just tell you an M. So it's capital.
You scare me.
Capital M.
No, you do not scare me.
So it's capital M. I mean.
You were so bad. You won me. I'm joking. GG's. Bro. And who was not it, by the way?
Little C.
Black, you were not him.
Little O. Little M.
Black, you were not him.
Capital. And then little C.
No, I'm good.
Little B.
No, I'm good.
Little O.
What?
Little M.
I need to get to my precious branches.
Capital C. Capital M.
Oh.
Little C. Bomb. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Blue, you were not him. Blue, you were not him. Yellow, you were not him. Gosh. They're all in canyons, bro.
Oh yeah, mine.
Why are they?
Mine.
Yo, TMC bomb.
Mine.
TMC bomb.
Yeah. Follow me back.
Yes.
Follow me back.
I gotta get
Oh, yeah, I followed you. And I. Okay. I have.
Okay, guys.
I got you guys with the sticky hand.
I have to go. Okay. I'll just like message you later.
Okay. Okay, bye.
This is gonna be too easy.
Emergency code option 1 is
Done.
TM.
That's crazy, bro.
Alright. So the code is Echo.
Oh.
Ghost will just go in code 1. Yeah, sure. Alright. So
No,
code to join.
I'm trying to hit that, bro.
Follow my finger. Follow my finger.
Oh.
I forgot that.
No. Bro. How much y'all are not tagging people right now? It's making me wonder. The amount y'all are not tagging anybody is making me wonder if there even is a lava monkey. Oh, I'll get to take a break and just do double walls. Oh, who are you? No, you are not that girl.
Wait, guys. Wait, I don't think that's it.
Hey,
Wait, no, I think it's A, C. Never mind. You guys got it black and gold.
yo.
Do all of y'all got Echo? Yeah, it's E-H. Oh, okay.
Yo.
No. So delete all, and then press E.
I mean,
E-O.
Alright, okay, guys. 3, 2, 1.
brother, I'm not even up there, Top Hat. Not even up there, Top Hat. Where's Top Hat? He's so bad at the game. Oh my gosh, I'm totally roasting him. Top Hat 2025 glasses. You so bad. Behind you. Yeah, well, you so bad. Behind you. Behind you. Oh, frick. I started on the... Bro, don't get tagged, Blue. I started on the tip of it, bro. He's not tagging me. Never have I ever.
Untag you.
Behind you! You're being goofy. You were not noticing someone behind you, bro.
You oofy, doofy, boofy, 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 boofy. You make me.
You,
Boofy,
you.
boofy, 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 boofy. Wait, I'm
No, you're not.
look.
Everybody, mission aboard. We are cooked. You're not. Never mind. He's not that good.
Hey, look down. Look at me.
Behind you, big little bro.
Somebody tagged me. Timmy. Come here. Come here. Timmy.
Imagine getting ankles that bad.
Who?
You just got ankles, bro. Oh, and it's by yellow. Oh my gosh. I'm cooking all of you. Ooh, it looks like I get to take a break. Ah, what a nice breather. I think I'll take my breather up here. What a nice breather. Why are you trying to come up here, Lava Sprunky? Above, Lava Monkey. Party hat, Lava above you, Lardy Gat. Lava Sprunky. I'm in a Fortnite match, everybody. You know what? Yeah, I might be in a Fortnite match. And everybody might not know. No. I might be in the tip of it. Everybody eats my toes. They know me where it toes. I ski in their toes. Good game, buddy. Good game. GG's. I'm in a... Oh, frick. I'm in a Fortnite match, bro. Yellow. I'm a lovey now. Bro. Tag someone already.
He tagged yellow.
No, I'm it.
Whoa. Wait, what?
You know what? Come here, Blue. Bro.
No, get him, please.
Oh.
Please get
No.
him. Please get him. Don't, not me.
No, you're cooked. No, you're cooked too.
What y'all doing? What y'all doing over here?
Purple, you're cooked.
Who's ghost hunting here? Who's ghost hunting? I'm gone. Ghost hunting. Yeah,
We're playing tag in here.
Oh, just tag? Alright, well guys, if it was true, just little kitties playing tag. Bye. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Where do they normally spawn?
Bye.
Where does Free normally spawn? Bro, you're not funny.
Oh, frick. Get out of my way. Bro. Now I have just a safe range to move. Like, I feel safe other than the guy with the beard.
Wait, you just gave me an idea. What happens if our other friend
Bro, I feel safe.
Without us. Oh. Join the code Echo again. In casual.
Matthew? I'm in forest. I need help.
With what? No. Wait, yeah.
Bro, your arm
I need
disconnected.
help, Mom.
EHCR.
Well, Matthew?
Huh?
Oh, no. No, I see.
Never see my friend's name again.
Matthew, well, you
What?
stuck
Where do you
still.
get Matthew from?
Matthew,
Huh?
Matthew, you still stuck. Matthew, you still stuck. Door stuck. Door stuck.
Leave my friend alone. If you want to
No, I'm good.
know what's his name?
No, I'm good.
Alright, bet.
Wait, go ahead before me. Go ahead.
There might be a ghost right there. That. Wherever is everybody? He might be a ghost. That guy, cause the way. Hey Matthew, what's the 5-star? Wait. You in forest? Matthew, J-Man Curly's a ghost.
Wait, where are you?
Oh yeah, let's go to type in J-Man. No, Matthew, no.
Matthew, no, Matthew, no.
What's the 5-star code?
Hey, Purple, you might want to watch out.
Do you remember? No, I'm not doing bro. That 5-star is like probably like
Woo!
I-P.
Mr. Matthew, you are officially cooked.
He's already shot, you idiot. Come in, what's up, Papa?
Call me an idiot, again, little boy.
You wanna, no, Matthew, that could be fake too. Come here, go to Canyon, bro, cause I'm literally about to crash out. Like, I'm literally up.
I'm really about to crash out, bro. Like, shut up. Peace. Bro.
Come here. No, wait. TMB, is that you? Nope. Where is he? Are you here? What's up, brother? Come here.